Welcome to our channel.
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
It has been raining a lot, y'all, and the grass is overgrown in here. I need to trim these tomatoes. They have really grown. You see my tomato cages are falling over because we've been getting so much rain. I just cut off two of these. I'll show you guys these. All right, and they came off of this plant over here. I have the peppers growing now, so on this plant, these are the jalapenos. The birds have been eating the strawberries. Every time they grow, the birds eat them. We have some bunny green bell peppers coming on here, which is a good thing. We have several little ones growing as well. Okay, this is the gherkin, I believe is what they're called. Cucumbers, West Indian gherkins, I believe. Okay, so they're looking good. This is looking good. We finally have some buds and some growing on here. The tomatoes are doing quite well. These are the pear tomatoes. They're almost ready to come off. They'll turn yellow soon. And there's quite a few on there with a lot of blooms too. So there are a lot more to come. All right, then this one, y'all, they are so overgrown because I haven't been out here. It's been so wet, so they're super overgrown. But let's see, there's a nice one there, and there's some really pretty ones in there. I don't know if you can see, but those will be ready soon. There's so many tomatoes in here, guys. It's a ton of them. I don't know if I can really capture them, but it's a lot. So this again is the blueberries. There's nothing on there. These are potatoes. Those are dying back, so those will probably be ready to harvest soon. All right, this is the honeydew, and they have really grown. Cucumber, and we have some on there, as you can see. Here's some. There's another. Okay, so, and yes, our hummingbirds are coming. As you can see, they've been taking some drinks out of there. All right, but that's about it, y'all. Just a quick little garden update. We'll have to come back again when the okra is looking good. It's growing. We've already harvested some of the Swiss chard, so that's why it kind of looks like that. Okay, marigolds are looking good over here. But yeah, we gotta y'all, we really have to come out here and do some stuff because it's looking kind of bad. But that's okay. We have things growing, and that is a blessing. All right, y'all, so we've had a few consecutive days of no rain and 90+ degree weather, so it's been pretty hot. Everything is pretty and green. We do have some browning on some of the leaves, and some of it looks a little droopy because of course it needs water. But I wanted to go ahead and give you guys another look. The kids and I trimmed the tomatoes back. We pulled out some grass, and this is how it's looking now. Things are growing good. The okra, the peppers, the tomatoes, of course the flowers are looking really nice. The cucumbers are growing. So we're pretty happy with it, you guys. So we wanted to give you a quick update. So here it is. Look at all those tomatoes in there. I'm so excited about that because we eat a lot of tomatoes around here. But that's it, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And we will catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all big. Bye.